Advantages of fluid power system. Fluid power systems offer a wide range of advantages when compared to electromechanical power systems. These advantages of hydraulic and pneumatic systems makes them more popular to choose than other power systems. Knowing the benefits of fluid power system will allow you to choose better equipment for your manufacturing operations, which directly improve efficiency of your work. As said, fluid power systems offer a wide range of advantages. In this video, we will discuss some of the main advantages of fluid power system. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first advantage of fluid power system is accuracy and ease of control. The fluid power systems are very simple. They are easy to operate and they can be controlled accurately. Fluid power gives greater flexibility to equipment without the need of any complex mechanism. Using hydraulic and pneumatic system, it is possible to start the operation and stop the operation, accelerate or decelerate the process. Motion can be instantly reversed and can position large forces with greater accuracy by using simple levers and push buttons. For example, in earth moving equipment, bucket carrying load can be raised or lowered by an operator using a lever. And one good example of easy operation of fluid power system is the landing gear of an aircraft can be retrieved to home position just by pressing push button. Multiplication and variation of forces. The output forces of hydraulic actuator is the result of pressure applied and the area to which that pressure is applied. Force equals pressure times area, which means in fluid power systems, the force can be multiplied by a fraction of a kilogram to several hundreds of tons. Multifunction control. A single hydraulic pump or a single air compressor can provide power and control multiple machines using valve manifolds and distribution system. In hydraulic system, the pressurized fluid can be transmitted over long distance through machine configurations with only a small loss in power. Low speed torque. Unlike electric motors, pneumatic or hydraulic motors can produce large amount of torque while operating at low speeds. Hydraulic and pneumatic motors can maintain torque at very slow speed without overheating. Constant force or torque. Fluid power systems can deliver constant torque per force regardless of change in speed. Economical. Not only reduction in required manpower, but also in the elimination of operator fatigue. As a production factor, is an important element in the use of fluid power. Low weight to power ratio. Power to weight ratio is the ratio between the power that your system has to its weight. The hydraulic system has low weight to power ratio compared to electromechanical systems. Just compare 5 horsepower hydraulic motor with 5 horsepower electric motor. The 5 horsepower hydraulic motor is lighter when compared to 5 horsepower electric motor, which would weigh up to 30 to 35 kilograms. Fluid power systems are compact in nature. Safety. There are some specific applications for which fluid power provides much higher degree of safety than electrical based power sources. The hydraulic-based power systems do not necessarily require electrical power. There is a greatly reduced risk of fire, sparking, or shock. This feature of hydraulic systems also means that they have advantages in some specific environments. High temperature, chemical, and other such environments are better served by fluid power systems. For example, hydraulic systems are responsible for the safety of takeoff, landing, and flight of aeroplanes and spacecraft. Because hydraulic systems have higher reliability than other systems. Another example is the rapid advances in mining and tunneling are the results of the applications of modern hydraulic and pneumatic systems.